Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best yoga mats available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Hami Yoga Mat. These durable yet lightweight exercise yoga mats are extra thick for the additional cushioning your joints need during any yoga or fitness routine. This yoga mat features a textured sticky non-slip surface for excellent traction and superior grip, and a stylish design to keep you motivated and focused. At number 6 we have Amazon Basics Yoga Mat. This textured foam construction provides traction and stability. This elastic straps secure rolled-up mat includes shoulder strap for easy carrying. It is an extra thick mat for yoga gym and everyday exercise. This textured foam construction provides traction and stability. At number 5 we have Manduka Yoga Mat. This professional quality ultra supportive has 6 mm thick yoga mat. This ultra dense cushioning provides superior support stability and joint protection. This 6 mm thick exercise mat provides cushion and support on any surface. At number 4 we have FILA Yoga Mat. This fitness mat is ideal for all types of workout stretching and floor exercises at home or in the gym and studio such as yoga, pilates, sit-ups, crunches and more. This workout mat features 10 mm of cushioning to help alleviate pressure on your joints, and provides extra relief on the knees and elbows in floor poses. Yoga mat is constructed with a textured grip surfaces to help with slipping and added grip. At number 3 we have www Yoga Mat. This has special sticky non-slip texture on both sides and density higher than ordinary yoga mats. That provides excellent traction and superior grip, best suitable to practice many forms of yoga. This 72x24 offers adequate space to fit any type of exercise like yoga, pilates, Bikram and fitness exercise. This offers the most comfortable experience for all level yogis. The 6 mm extra thick high density provides excellent cushioning and resilience. At number 2 we have Hami Yoga Mat. These durable yet lightweight exercise yoga mats provide additional cushioning your joints need during any yoga or fitness routine. This yoga mat features a textured sticky non-slip surface for excellent traction and superior grip, and a stylish design to keep you motivated and focused. At number 1 we have Hami lightweight PVC backing, durable and extra thick for additional cushioning. This mat works to seal out germs, odor and bacteria. This thick yoga mat provides a better grip the hotter you get. Mat develops a stickiness when damp. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best yoga mats for your need. Yoga mats for your need.